Welcome to ACM Auto Parts. ACM started in 2014 and has since grown to have a number of sites that make up our national network across Australia.
We specialise in recycled and new auto parts, specifically recycled mechanical parts, things like engines, gearboxes and diffs.
Also, recycled and new collision parts, so your replacement doors, bonnets and boot lids. Our range suits most major makes and models, and we have over 100,000 parts in stock.
All of our recycled parts are sourced from a carefully selected range of vehicles, which are then sent to one of our numerous production facilities across the country.
Once a vehicle arrives, it is carefully dismantled by one of our professional team. Parts are then transported to our warehouse facility where they go through an extensive quality control process and then packaged and put on our shelf for sale.
When requesting a part, you'll speak to one of our 50 specialised internal sales consultants. They will provide you with a detailed description on the part's condition and assist with quoting.
Once an order is placed, it goes out to our operations team who locate the parts and prepare it for pickup or delivery.
ACM Auto Parts, the smarter choice. Call us today, 1800 226 727.